so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi! And this is Sheila. Hey, Sheila! She's a farm dog. Whoa! And look at what I have. This is my lunch. I have a tasty apple, some strawberries, bananas, a sandwich with tomatoes on it, and even farm fresh eggs. Wow. Have you ever wondered how this food gets to your plate? Yeah, I have too. So today we are at Laughing Goat Flower Farm in Enumclaw, Washington. This is gonna be so much fun! Ooh, Sheila, look at these plants. Whoa, these are strawberries and blueberries. Have you ever had a strawberry or a blueberry? Yeah, so tasty. Ooh, and look at these. Pretty interesting looking. This plant, this is another fruit or a vegetable. Yeah, this one's a vegetable. And this vegetable is called garlic. I love garlic. It makes my food taste so good. So garlic is actually a bulb right down there, but it's not ready to be harvested yet. But up here, you can harvest the tops, and it's also tasty. I'll show you how to do that. So, I'm gonna take these really sharp scissors, so I'm gonna be very careful. And I'm gonna snip it right there. This is what it looks like. Whoa! One great thing about this farm is that all the food and the flowers are organically grown. This is gonna be so tasty. All right, I think that's good enough. Let's count them. All right, we have 1, 2, and 3. Wow, 3 pieces of garlic top. Yum! Ooh, these are called snap peas. And they're so yummy. I think you and I should plant some snap peas. Okay, so to plant some plants you need a shovel, where you dig a hole in a bed of soil, just like this, and put a seed right in the hole, fill up the hole, put some water on it, and then, after a lot of sun and some more water and a lot of love, it'll grow into a tasty plant. All right, but for snap peas, all you have to do is put one of these plants in a box right on top of the soil and push it down to right about there. Perfect. And then you take another one and push it down. Let's do a few more together. All right, this is really fun. Look at them. See? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4 minus 1 is 3. Oh, all right. Let's put the rest of these down inside the soil. There we go. Okay, so we have a bunch of them right in a line right here. So let's move the rest of that and those, and let's take the water and let's give them some water. Wow. All right. Then in a while, these are gonna grow into really big plants. and then they'll grow these on them. And then you can eat them like this. Wait a second. I think there's some big ones over there. Come on. All right, so those snap peas that we just planted in seed form, after 2 months, are gonna grow to look like this. Look! See, the plant has nodes, and then those nodes grow the snap peas off of them. Ooh, pull it off. And look, you have a lot of snap peas off this one plant. Have you ever tried a snap pea? Maybe you should. They're really good. Woo-hoo! Woo! I sure do love tractors, huh, Sheila? Okay, all right. Time for some more food. Come check this out. Ooh, these are strawberry bushes. And look down here. These are strawberries. Really red strawberries. Let's pull it off. Yum! Wow, that was tasty. Whoa. I love strawberry bushes. Ooh, and here's some blueberries, but they're not quite ripe yet. See these? Yeah, they'll be blue when they're nice and ripe, and then you can eat them. Woo! Now we're in the chicken coop. Hey, chickens! And look. These are some tasty treats for the chickens. They love to eat these tasty treats, so then they lay lots of eggs. I love eggs for breakfast, of course. All right, here you go, chickens. Whee, here you go. Ooh, yum. They love these tasty treats. Just like how I love fruits and vegetables, these chickens love this stuff. I don't know what it is though. Here you go. All right. All right. There you go. And from there, you can spread the rest around. There you go. And now, I'll pick one up so I can pet it. Chicken, and they love to be pet on their head. See? Hey, chicken. You want to see the chicken? Oh, so cute. Their neck. Oh, so relaxed. So cute. Hey, chicken, chicken. Hey, chicken, chicken. See? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, girl. See, the chickens live in this coop. They love to eat food, just like me and you. So then, they can lay their eggs. So then, you and I can eat them. They're so nice. All right, here you go. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Time to pet another chicken. First, we gotta catch one. So now, in this room, this is where the chickens lay their eggs. Come here. Whoa, see them down there? Yeah, they're laying eggs. And if you look right here, there's a couple eggs ready for us to grab. Look. Right down there. One egg. 2 eggs. Yum! Hey, pigs! Another fun thing about this farm is they have farm pets too, just like these goats. Whoa! And there's some pigs back here. All right, hey, down. All right, so let's give them some treats. All right, let's see. Oops, sorry. Here's, oh, whoopsies. Okay, let's set some of this stuff down. I'm gonna set that down. All right, who wants some banana? Oh, yum. All right, would you like some banana? Oh, there you go. Ooh, you know the banana peel part that you and I don't like? They love it. Check it out. You want it? Yum. Cool. Would you like some banana? Yum. Enjoy. Woo. Would you like some banana? Okay, there you go. Okay. Hey, this one hasn't got any. Hey, would you like a treat? Hey. Oh. Hey, would you like a treat? Oh. Oh. Hey, down. Good down. There you go. Hey, pig. Hey, pig. There you go. Oh, all right. Would you like some banana? There you go. All right. Woo! There's some peel for you. Hey, down. Good down. All right, here you go. You two can share. Sharing's really good. Oh, here's some more treats over here. Oh, look! Animal crackers! All right, who wants some crackers? Whee! Here you go. Here you go. Here, see? It's an animal, but it's a cracker. Here you go. Hey, down. Good down. You see what I'm doing? I'm using this brush to give him a nice back scratch. There you go. Hey. Ooh, does that feel good? Yeah. Have you ever gotten a back massage or a back scratch? Yeah. This probably feels just like that. Right, pig? Whoa. The skin. Hey. Would you like to get brushed? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, does that feel good? It's kind of like a bath, but without water. And it doesn't clean you. It just feels really good. I like taking baths and showers, nice and clean, and rubbing a brush on my skin. Okay, here you go. Let's get you right there. Come check out this pig's hair. Whoa, it's really coarse and really thick. Wow. It's really thick. Oh, hello. Hey, pig. There you go. Oh, yeah, does that feel good? Oh, I bet. There you go. Yeah. See, I'm brushing this pig. This pig is really big. Whoa. Can I give you a hug? Does that feel good? Yeah, it feels real good. You like your horns brushed, huh? Yeah, here you go. You're a nice guy. Whoa. And do you see his eyes? Look. Look at his eyes. Come here. Do you see the black pupil? Yeah, that black part is called the pupil. And it's sideways. So then from there, the goat can see all around itself. Wow. There you go, buddy. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye. Woo! What's in here? Wow, this is a growing room. Growing rooms are kind of like greenhouses. They keep a little bit more heat inside than outside. Right, Sheila? All right, let's go explore. Ooh, look at what it is. It's a green hose. Whoa. Oh, hey, look at what's on the end of the hose. Oh, it's a watering spigot. What does it do? Whoa! It sprays water. Let's water the plants. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Plants love to drink water, just like you and I do. All right. Wow. This is so much fun growing plants because I love to eat the food afterwards. Speaking of food, look way down there. Ooh, look! It's a plum tomato. Ooh, it looks so tasty. Shall we eat it? Wow. Yum! Mmm. Yum! Mmm. Ooh, another fun thing to do at Laughing Goat Flower Farm is to make a bouquet. Come on. Whoa, look in here. Some more plants. All right, so these plants you don't eat. Yeah, these plants you make a beautiful, beautiful bouquet with. All right, here we go. Let's take our snips. All right, where to go? How about right there? All right. Okay. Oh, that's real pretty. So, how you make a bouquet is you start with a base flower, like this. Well, actually, you start with a base plant, and then you add the beautiful, colorful flowers. But this plant right here, yeah, it's fuzzy. And it kind of looks like the color white. Oh yeah, normally plants are the color green. Well, sometimes, really depends on the plant. But this one is pretty white looking. All right, let's cut some more, shall we? There we go. All right, perfect. And some more. Whoa! Look at all of them. They're so beautiful. All right, what else do we need? We got a nice base. We need some color. Let's go. Ooh, look at these colorful flowers. Yeah, they're the color yellow. These will look beautiful in the bouquet. All right. Whoa, so interesting looking. Okay, let's put that right there. All right, one will do. All righty, let's find some more flowers. Come on. another growing room. Ah, and more flowers. Perfect. Just what we're after. All right. Look at this one. Huh. All right. Let's pull it up. Ooh. It's kinda white. Yeah. It also has a little bit of green and a little bit of yellow. Yeah. And it makes that color. All right. Let's put it right there. Yep. Perfect. Oh, look. Wow. Take out our scissors. Gotta be careful. Okay. Ooh. That one's the color white. Put that right there. Oh. Whoa. Look at this one. Yeah. This color is the color pink. Wow, so beautiful. It smells so fresh. All right. And one more over here. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that color. Whoa. It's a really deep, deep, dark purple. Whoa. That will look beautiful in the bouquet. Let's put it right there. All right. Let's go find some more flowers. Whoa! Here's some more beautiful flowers for a bouquet. All right, let's take our scissors. Be very careful. This one looks perfect. Actually, this one looks perfect. See the color? It's the color light pink. All right. Oh, it fell. All right. All right. Put my snippers back there. All right. Ah. So beautiful. All right. Put it right there. Whoa, look at it now. And it smells even more beautiful. Okay. Woo! Some more flowers. All right. This one looks ready. And this one is dark pink. Wow. All right. Let's take the scissors. Give it a snip. Give it a smell. So fresh. All right. Here we go. Let's put it right there. Whoa, that's a big flower. Whoa, it's so colorful. Oh, I see some more over there. More beautiful flowers for our bouquet. All right, let's cut some flowers together. All right. Ooh, see this flower? This flower is the color light blue. Wow, beautiful. All right, let's put it in here. All right, perfect. All right, let's cut some more. Here we go. All right, look, we have some more to place in here. How about one right there? How about one right here? Okay. Whew. And we have two more. 1, 2. Let's put one right there. Perfect. And let's put the last one right next to this big one. All right. There we go. Perfect. So beautiful. Oh, look, more blue flowers. All right. Let me snip some of these. Huh. These are the color blue as well. But remember the last flowers? They were light blue. But these flowers are dark blue. Let's put them in the bouquet. All right, here we go. How about one right there? How about one over here? How about one? Let's see, right there looks beautiful. And one right there. Whoa! What a beautiful bouquet! Let's go get some more flowers. Ooh, some more flowers. Ooh, interesting. See this flower? It's not fully blossomed yet. Huh, yeah. Oh, there's different stages of blossoming flowers. Look down here. See? This one hasn't even opened yet. It's still a baby. Ooh, you see this? It's trying to peek out. It's like, hello, I see you. But then it opens a little bit up, a little bit more. See? And then goes to a little bit more. Yeah. And then goes even more. Whoa. And then after that goes, whoa, I'm beautiful. I'm a flower. And speaking of that, there's some down here. Let's go. Whoa, look at these. Oh, let's cut one. Whoa, this is a new color. Do you see it? Yeah, this color is the color red. All right, let's add it to the bouquet. Let's put this one right in the very, very center. Whoa, look at that. It is so beautiful. I know what I'm gonna do with these flowers. I'm gonna surprise my mom. Shh, if you cut flowers, you can do the same. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you wanna watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi! Good job! All right, bye-bye! Love you, Mom!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, grown-ups! If your child loves my videos, you can head to blippi.com for some super duper duper cool things.